Will you still be?
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Maddie, and I am here with another YouTube video. Thanks for coming back, guys. Today's video is going to be a YouTube tutorial video. I have not done one of these in a long time because I've been away on my long trip to Hawaii, and now I'm back doing college classes and YouTube tutorial videos like I was doing. Today's tutorial is going to be on what to put in the hashtags in the description box. So on every YouTube video, YouTube allows you to put some hashtags in the video. What are the hashtags for, and how can you use them to earn yourself some views? I'm going to tell you that right now. Stay tuned and make sure you subscribe if you enjoy the video. Let's get started. To get started, you want to log on to Studio Beta on YouTube. Go to the video you would like to put the tags in, and you should see it in the video sections right here where my mouse is. And while you're waiting on that to load, go ahead and open up another tab and load another YouTube page. Now I know this sounds funny, but you'll understand in just a second. So in that other YouTube tab you're going to be opening, type in or search what is the most related to your video. Is your video about Hawaii like mine is? Then you want to type in Hawaii. Is your video about something about cars? Then you want to type in car. If it's whatever it's about, think of the main thing it's about and type it in the search. So since mine is about Hawaii, I will be searching Hawaii. So the key factors in searching this, what we are looking for is the owner of the video. Yes, their name. You can see some of the names right now. Mojo Travels, Matt's Travel Tips. Matt's video came out 11 months ago and it has 1 million views. I know, you're asking, why does that matter? Well, the video I am doing is about Hawaii and Matt's video is about Hawaii. There is a connection there. So right now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with Matt's video that will connect it to my video. So if you look very closely to Matt's video, you will see Matt's username. It is Matt's Travels Tips. So we are going to take his username, and you can copy and paste. I usually just type it out because my computer won't let me. And we're going to write that down in the description box like I did here. Okay, so once you're done writing that down, make sure you click on the enter so YouTube will accept it as a tag. So we're going to go back and look for more usernames with other videos related to my video. So we're going to take Mojo Travels, and we're going to take that title and we're going to put it back into the description box like we did to Matt's Travel Tips. And you're just going to do this multiple times. Find your username, copy that username, and paste it into the description box. So keep in mind you are only taking usernames that are off videos that are similar to your video. It's okay to do some popular people's names, but you see all the usernames I'm taking are people whose videos are similar to my video. So here is all the usernames we put in the description box. Now moving on, what else you can put in the description box is we're going to go back to those videos where we stole their username from, and we're going to take their title now. So top reasons to visit Hawaii, we're going to take that and we're going to paste it into the description box just like we did for the usernames. Now this will even further the connection to these videos in your videos. You for sure will have a better chance of being seen at the bottom of these suggested videos than just if you didn't do this. Okay, so now for the last thing I will be talking to you guys about. After you get done taking the titles and usernames of other people's videos and putting it in the description box, we are now going to take the location. So if your video is located in Hawaii or you shot the video in like Chicago, you want to put that in the description box. But a huge life hack can be to put the description, not only the description box of the location, but also put the location in the title of your own video. Hashtag Diamond Head, hashtag Honolulu. Well, anytime people Google Honolulu or Hawaii, there's a slight chance that your video could pop up because of the location inside the title of your video. You can see here, when I see the main video, you can see that the hashtags are in the title of the video, and therefore I know that it's working, and when someone Googles that location, there's a chance, hey, my video could be found and I could gain a subscriber and a new viewer. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and you guys will definitely see more income and views because tags have helped my videos so much. I didn't know how to use them at first, but I watched a tutorial like this and it really helped me. The only thing was, the tutorial I watched was like 15 minutes long and I wanted to make a short one for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe because we do a lot of cool things here, and I would love to have your support to hit 10,000 within the next few years. I'll see you guys later. Bye, sibling subs.